I'm Cam.
And I'm Ari.
And this is SafetyTech Six. So that's SafetyTech Six. See you next time. All right, welcome to the pilot episode of SafetyTech Six. This is going to be the who, what, when, where, and why we are doing this. Let's get started.
Hi, everyone. My name is Arianna Howard. I am based here in the United States, out in Denver, Colorado. I am the managing partner and co-founder of an EHS technology consulting firm called Synchro Group. Our goal is to turn tech chaos into clarity for organizations. We work with enterprises, mid-market startups to help assess a lot of the topics that we're talking about in this series. I think there's a lot of noise in the market, and we're trying to bring clear signals to that in a way that we know personally that's practical, realistic, and because the challenges that we hear are not, regardless of your industry or the size of your organization, everyone is facing very similar problems. So my goal being here with Cam is to kind of talk about a lot of the things that we talk about and that we converse about, and bringing our client learnings together and our experience and just share insight that isn't noisy and hopefully enlightening and helpful. So thanks for sending questions in. Thanks for sending topics in. And we hope to continue doing this.
Yes, you got plenty more time.
Kind of forgot we were doing the 3-minute thing. You go, and then we'll riff.
All right. So throughout SafetyTech 6, we've got 6 minutes. We try and do about 3 minutes each and a little teeny wrap up at the end before the buzzer goes off. So I'm Cam Stevens. I am the founder of Pocket Knife Group, which is a multi-tool innovation consultancy. We have PKG Safety Innovation, which is our consulting practice. We have the Safety Innovation Academy, of which this little mini podcast series is part of, as well as our education and coaching for safety leaders on how to navigate digital transformation in health and safety. We run and are soon to be launching SafetyTech News. So SafetyTech News has been a LinkedIn newsletter for a long while now, and we'll be transforming that with a small group of us into a news media publication for SafetyTech News to, again, increase the signal to noise ratio and try and provide you a trusted source of information. And then we have a research and intelligence side to the work that we do as well. We do benchmarking. We've just recently done a benchmark report for the Australian utilities sector about their use of AI. So I'm here with Ari I'm from Perth, Western Australia, here in Washington, DC with Ari, and we have a WhatsApp group where we chat a lot with a few trusted friends and colleagues that are working in this space day in, day out. And we're constantly talking about these topics with each other. And we felt that while we're here together, we might as well just basically have conversations that we would normally have with ourselves and let you hear our insights as well. They're unscripted. There is absolutely no preparation. We're in our hotel lobby. So the production quality is going to be what it is. The audio quality is going to be mixed. We've recorded in front of the Capitol building. We've recorded in front of the World War I monument where a bugle player came out and interrupted the series. We've got elevated to the right. We've got conference people cruising around. So in the spirit of innovation, we're kind of duct taping this together. Yeah. So what are some of the topics that are going to be covered in this season?
Yeah, we've talked about AI. We've talked about voice technology, vendor, relationships and frustrations or successes that our clients have seen. We've talked about digital transformation across a lot of different scopes. We've been pushing these out pretty efficiently.
48 hours, and we've done 12 episodes.
Yeah. So hoping to have 6 episodes per season and 6 minutes. The goal is to make this easy, consumable. Listen to it while you're warming up your lunch, having a look at your email, and hopefully we can provide good insights and commentary. And we'd love to hear the feedback and your thoughts on any of the topics that we've discussed.
So feedback is a gift. And it's also one of the things that we talk about in the series about how do you get feedback from the people that you're trying to serve. And that's you, the audience. So any feedback that you have for us would be super, super valuable. Production quality aside, because we're pretty comfortable with that. So we're working on that.
We're working within the constraints.
So drop us a line. Let us know what you think. We're curious to see if this format is helpful. And from there, we'll try and see what comes next.
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to most this year, 2026, with Synchro Group?
I am looking forward to the work that I'm doing with ASSP as part of the standard-based user group, leading the AI of this new initiative. So if you're going to be at ASSP Safety in Anaheim, California in June 2026, please come find me. I'll have 2 sessions, obviously on EHS tech and AI, and probably the event I'm most excited for the year so far, but we'll see.
Cool. Well, I'm looking forward to this series launching. Thanks. And that's it.